everyone, I'm Chandana Banerjee and welcome back to my channel. From today, I want to start a weekly angel card reading here on my channel. So, what I will be doing is I will be picking up three cards from my Archangel kit. This is the card deck that I use. Yeah. So, I'm going to pick up three cards every week and give this is a general reading for all of you. Some of it may apply to you, some of it may not, but some part of it might definitely strike a chord somewhere. So, what is an angel card reading? Well, I will be making a separate video on that. An angel card reading is basically a message from your angels, from your spirit guides, guardian angels, and the archangels. Angels are the guide between human beings here on earth and God in the up there. And angels are always there around us to help us. All we need to do is call upon them. So when we do an angel card reading, we are just connecting with our angels and receiving positive, gentle messages which are like guidances or guidance in our life. So this week's card reading, these are the three cards that I've pulled out, and I'm going to show it to you one by one. And if you would like to see an image of this card, you can always head to my Instagram page at the rate Gorgeous Girls Go Green. So the first card is this. This card is teaching and learning. Keep an open mind and learn new ideas. Then teach these ideas to others. Now, if you are interested in learning, or if you've been wondering that you want to change your career or try out something new, then this is a good time to maybe enroll for a new course or work with a new teacher or read some new books on a topic that has really been fascinating you for long. So keep an open mind and learn new ideas. Once you learn new ideas, when you're a sponge for new ideas, new learning, then maybe you can think of even teaching it to others. If learning and teaching have fascinated you, or this is a career that you have been feeling a call towards, then teaching and learning, and this is a good time to teach, to learn new ideas, and then think how you want to teach it to others. Maybe you would like to teach it in a school, in a college, or online through videos, or you want to create an online course or take a workshop. This is a good time to do all those things. The next card is the chakra cleaning card. Now, the chakra cleaning in this, call upon me to clear and open your chakras using sacred geometric shapes. In this, Archangel Metatron is asking you to invoke him and ask him to send you the symbols, the chakras, and the geometric shapes and the symbols that he is known for to help you clear your chakras. But in general, this is also a good time to focus on your own energy field, your own aura, and keep it clean. We don't realize that often we attract a lot of energetic debris while dealing in our day-to-day life. And some of the good ways to deal with it is, one is through prayer. One is, if you do reiki, then reiki is a good way to or do any other energy healing modality, then it's a good way to clear your chakras with. You can also do some simple stuff like light a diya in the evening and morning in your house, or use rock salt, Sina Namak, in your cleaning water to clean away any energy debris that might be collecting in your house. And you can also chant mantras or listen to mantras, to clear the energy debris which we often incur in our house and in our body as we move day to day. Another thing to do, the next card is career transition. Now, career transition, in this, your life purpose is triggering a blessed career change. Those of you who've been thinking of changing your career, or those of you who have been thinking of, you've been contemplating trying something new, changing your field, this is a good time to really give it a good hard thought and maybe take those first steps towards that. A career transition can be good in so many ways. You can use your passions to work towards it, and there are a lot of videos in this channel which teach you how to use your passions to earn an income doing what you love. So check those out. And so overall, this is a very positive card reading. One, I'll recap it: teaching and learning. This is a good time to learn new things, those things that have been calling out to you. And then when you learn, you can, or if you already learned those things, it's a good time to think how you want to teach it to others. What kind of platform do you want to teach it on? As a self care, I would say chakra cleaning is the next step, where you can use either prayer or calling on angels, or like tips that I shared, to clean the energetic debris that accumulates in us and in our spaces. The next card says career transition. For those of you who are thinking of changing your career, or thinking of doing some studies which will take you into another stream, this is a good time to really take that step. I hope you found this week's angel card reading helpful and positive, and I will see you next week again with the next angel card reading. I will see you. Bye bye.